On April 25th, 2013, at about 9:20 p.m. local time, an unknown object at low altitude flew directly across the Rafael Hernandez Airport runway at Augedilla, Puerto Rico, causing a delayed departure of a commercial aircraft. There was no transponder signal to alert the aircraft tower, nor was there any communication with the tower to prevent a dangerous situation with departing and arriving aircraft. Fortunately, an airborne U.S. Customs and Border Protection aircraft captured the object on infrared video. An original copy of a thermal video was obtained from an official source on October 20th of 2013. The source of this video evidence was vetted and identified. The object was between 3 to 5 feet in length and its speed varied between approximately 40 miles per hour to 120 miles per hour. Its median speed was roughly 80 miles per hour. In order to support the validity of the thermal video and to look for unknown targets in the area, a Freedom of Information Act request was made to the USAF 84th Raids Group to obtain all FAA-originated radar in the area during the time frame in question. Using this data, it was possible to validate unknown targets over the ocean 2 to 3 miles to the north and northwest of Rafael Hernandez Airport were detected. None of these targets had transponders. One of the object's flight characteristics the authors found to be significant was the object's speed through the water, which did not vary as it impacted the water. Its speed through the water reached a high of 95 miles per hour and averaged 82.8 miles per hour. As can be seen in the video, the object splits into two parts shortly after entering the ocean and then briefly re-emerging. Frame-by-frame analysis ruled out the possibility of a reflection object emerging from the water. The object's thermal image actually grew in size momentarily before it split into two parts. Both parts moved through the air and water at the same speed as the original object. The object witnessed by CBP and tower personnel and recorded on the CBP DHC-8 aircraft's thermal imaging system is of unknown origin. There is no explanation for an object capable of traveling underwater at 90 miles per hour with minimal impact as it enters the water through the air at 120 miles per hour at low altitude through a residential area without navigational lights, and finally to be capable of splitting into two separate objects. The object is seen in infrared is capable of traveling at night without lights, at times below treetop altitude at speeds approaching 100 miles per hour, and apparently without risk of impacting objects as it passes by. We'll put a link to the full analysis written by the Scientific Coalition of UFOlogy in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.